and why I really, really wanted to talk to you is because I'm so enthusiastic because you really have a great vision. So you say I'm a wholesaler, and yes, I have like this big assortment, but there's something else that I want to do, and I want to make a change in the market. And you want to help the opticians also with a marketing service. Am I correct?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. So how did you come up with this? What is your vision for this? Like, how would you like? Yeah. What is your vision?
Well, I firmly believe that the future of distribution is not just about delivering products.
No.
It's also about providing added value.
Yeah.
So my thinking is the more successful an optician is, the more successful are we.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we want really to support the opticians, and we want to make them it very easy to sell our products and to promote our products,
Yeah.
because we see them struggling with doing social media, with creating a great website. And well, they either have budget, time, or team to build that.
Yeah.
And our vision is to provide free marketing materials to support opticians, in promoting our products.
Wow. And how do the opticians respond to that? Because for them it's new. I don't think in Switzerland anybody else is really doing this. So I think you're the first. Yeah. How do they respond? Do they like it?
Yeah, well, it's a challenge.
Yeah.
It's a challenge to let them know that we are doing this. We see that they're looking more and more into our platform, where they can download materials such as pictures, videos, stuff like that. But it takes time. It takes
Yeah.
time, a lot of discussions, a lot of phone calls, or even meetings in their store.
Yeah.
But the ones we have on board, they like it, they love it, and they think it's great support.
Yeah, I think it is amazing if you can deliver on that support, of course. So if you help them with social media, maybe even a website, it takes so much of their plate. They have so many other things to do, and you just want them to sell, especially your products, but they need to sell. And the
Yeah.
rest, they need support for. So yeah, I think it's yeah, it's really cool.